Hello boys and girls, today we're going to review the coins in the United States. We know that we have 4 coins and the names are dime, penny, nickel, and quarter. We're going to talk about size of coins. The dime is the smallest coin. The penny is also small. The nickel is bigger than the dime and the penny. And the quarter is the biggest of all these coins. Which coin is larger than a dime and smaller than a nickel? Think about it. Yes, it's the penny, because the penny is bigger than the dime and is smaller than a nickel. How many pennies? How many pennies are equal to a nickel? Well, we know that a nickel worth 5 cents, so we need to put together 5 cents. How many pennies are equal to a dime? We know that a dime is worth 10 cents, so we need to put together 10 pennies to make a dime. How many pennies are equal to a quarter? We know that a quarter worth 25 cents, so we have to put together 25 pennies to have an equal of a quarter. Now we're going to remember what are the names of the coins, and we're going to draw lines to match each coin to its name. So first of all, we know that the quarter is the biggest of them all. So we're going to draw a line between the coin and its name, quarter. We know that the penny has a different color. So we know that this coin is a penny, so we want to draw a line to the penny. Then we know that the dime is the smallest of them all, so we want to draw a line between the coin and its name. And then we know that this is the nickel that worth 5 cents. Now we're going to remember the values of each coin. So we know that the penny worth 1 cent. We know that the dime, that is the smallest coin of them all, worth 10 cents. So we want to draw a line, number 10. Then the quarter is the biggest and worth 25 cents. So we draw a line. And then we have the nickels that it worth 5 cents. Now, I want you to go to the link, click over there, and do the activity for identifying coins. Bye.